following is a video on an MC-600V MATSUURA. It's a 4-axis CNC vertical machining center. The machine serial number is 880106-535. It was built in 1988, and we purchased it from a Fortune 500 defense contractor. And we're going to show you a video of the machine running right now. The spindle speed range on the machine is 30 to 7,000 RPM. It's a geared drive. We're going to start off from the low gear pass. First removing the axes, Y. Z.
See how we turn it? RPM. High gear, 1500 RPM. RPM. 5,000 RPM. 6,000 RPM. 7,000 RPM top speed. Tool change. Another tool change.
Four separate drives for X, Y, Z, and an A axis. Here's your connectors right over here. You would need to mate this with a rotary table or an indexer with the Hauppauge drive. Full fourth. Here's your RS-232 port. Data input. The MC-600V is a box wave design on all axes, and it has AC servo motors.
And the manuals.
Manuals. video on a